Math Tales of the Iditarod number 6 by Michelle and Ariana.
Background information. The fastest and slowest times of the Iditarod race in 1974, fastest, 20 days, 15 hours, 2 minutes, 7 seconds, and slowest, 29 days, 6 hours, 36 minutes, 19 seconds. The fastest and slowest times of the Iditarod race in 2014 were fastest, 8 days, 13 hours, 4 minutes, 19 seconds, and slowest, 13 days, 4 hours, 42 minutes, 8 seconds. The coldest temperature in the Iditarod ever recorded was negative 60 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the difference between the fastest finishing times of 1974 and 2014? What is the difference between the slowest finishing times, Red Lantern, of 1974 and 2014? Then compare the total sum of the slowest and fastest times of the Iditarod finishing times and come up with a conclusion on why the finishing times are either getting faster and slower over the years, and why. Pause this video and try to figure out the answer to this question.
To compare the fastest finishing times of 1974 and 2014, you would need to subtract 20 days, 15 hours, 2 minutes and 7 seconds, minus 8 days, 13 hours, 4 minutes and 19 seconds. First, you need to subtract 7 seconds minus 19 seconds. You cannot do this, so you would need to take away 1 minute from the 2 minutes, and there is 60 seconds in a minute, so you add 60 seconds to the 7 seconds. 67 seconds minus 19 seconds is 48 seconds. Then, you need to subtract 1 minute from 4 minutes. Since you cannot do this too, you would need to take away 1 hour from the 15 hours, so it equals 14 hours. Since there's 60 minutes in an hour, you would need to add 60 minutes to the 1 minute. 61 minutes minus 4 minutes is 57 minutes. Then, you would need to take away 14 hours minus 13 hours, so that equals 1 hour. And 20 days minus 8 days is 12 days. So, that means that the difference between the 1974 time and the 2014 time is 12 days, 1 hour, 57 minutes, and 48 seconds. To compare the slowest finishing times of the Iditarod between 1974 and 2014, you would need to subtract 29 days, 6 hours, 36 minutes and 19 seconds from 13 days, 4 hours, 32 minutes and 8 seconds. First, you need to subtract 19 seconds by 8 seconds, and that would equal 11 seconds. Then, you need to subtract 36 minutes from 32 minutes, and that gives you 4 minutes. Next, you need to subtract 6 hours from 4 hours, which gives you 2 hours, and 29 days minus 13 days is 16 days. So the difference between the slowest finishing times of 1974 and 2014 are 16 days, 2 hours, 4 minutes, and 11 seconds. Ready?
Thanks for watching. Picture credits to Jeff Schultz.